Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. The Magical Adventure of Cinderella. Cinderella found a colorful parrot named Sunny while sweeping the floor. Sunny had vibrant green feathers and could talk. "Hello, Cinderella," Sunny squawked. "I'll take you on a magical adventure." "Just hold my feathers and close your eyes." They soared above the kingdom, leaving the castle behind. Sunny sang a magical song and they reached a kingdom hidden in the clouds. A fairy queen greeted them. "Welcome, Cinderella. You have a kind heart. I'll grant you one wish." Cinderella wished for her stepmother and stepsisters to be kind and loving. The fairy queen granted her wish and the kingdom prospered with happiness. Cinderella lived happily ever after with Sunny and her new friends. Moral: kindness and love can transform lives. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.